guys! Welcome back to my channel. Do our unboxing gift for our Christmas exchange gift with the family, and this is our uniform, a family's uniform. Ta-da! For something funny, here you go. Mama, look at you. Ken, nabunot ko for something funny ay nag-exchange gift lang kami, oh. Ayan. So, Papa Ruluse.
Okay, ma. Oh, wow.
Ay, pare.
Wow.
Pare, malaki.
Papa. Open it, Papa. So, Papa will open my gift to him. This is a funny.
Something funny.
Something funny.
This is for Papa.
This is something funny for Papa.
Aradyo. Puro ano? Jaryo. Aradyo. Jaryo.
Help him.
Sorry,
Open
I don't
it.
know Tagalog.
Help him.
And he got $1 billion. Oh!
Show it.
Mamuna siyang puwet.
Wow!
Patagal lang tayo.
He needs the most.
Toothpick.
Let me
Tissue box.
say it. Let me
Tissue
say
box.
it.
Isang piraso lang yung laman. Isang piraso. Ano kwenta? Ito lang yung pamunas. Ito talaga yung pamunas. Hindi yun. What is the reason, Mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the reason why is to Papa, kasi si Papa palaging naghahanap siya ng tissue.
Yeah.
May laman pa yan. Toothpick, para pang tagal ng tinga. Yung particles between the teeth.
Favorite niya yan.
Favorite niya yan eh. Lagi
Gusto
siya
niya itong
naghahanap.
gamitin. Dinadala pa niya ito ang dami niya nito sa bag. Ito yung toothpaste para ma-motivate siyang mag-toothbrush.
Eto, pamunas ng puwet.
Give Papa something funny to me. Oh my God, so fancy. Oh my God, patot. I got a Fila shoes.
Branded.
Is this
Fila.
for real?
Branded.
Look, guys. So is this for real?
Something funny daw yan ah.
Wow, oh my goodness.
Tignan mo gamit.
Gamit na.
Pero ang ganda
I know.
Wow. Why did you give this pa?
Yeah.
Why did you give this to Mama?
Actually, I bought this online from Marketplace. And the price was $15.
Oh my God! Nice! Gamit na. Pero wow, ganda.
Look at this kind of shoes.
Yeah, but I
Mukha
need
pa
to
rin
wash
bago.
it.
Yeah, okay. Who's next?
Social ni Mama nakapila.
Who's next?
Nice.
Hindi na siya magna-Nike, magpipila na siya.
Oh my
I
God.
got
Show it.
Steph
Nag-exchange
Baho.
gift lang din kayo.
Ito karakter ng baho. Angie Puwet.
This is my gift ka ate.
Have something funny.
Oh gosh. Oh my God. What the? Hey ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Ho ho ho. What the heck? Bro, I need this the most.
Yeah, so I gifted this kasi mahilig si ate sa panty liner. kahit wala naman bigla nagsusuot siya niya.
Okay, so I got
Me?
Angie Pet. This is my gift for you.
Oh, wow. That looks like watch.
I know. It's a necklace.
It's
Is
a
it?
necklace.
I think so.
Dun-da-da-da.
I don't know.
What was that?
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Surprise!
Let's
Surprise!
see.
What the heck?
Oh my God!
Yung kanina!
So, Angie,
Yung kanina napunta dito!
nag-teleport. Nag-teleport. Para pag di siya nagsipsipilya. Mamasok pa rin kasi magagamba.
Grabe siya!
Hindi, ito talaga yung pang something funny ko. Ayan, ayan talaga yung pang something funny ko.
Oh!
Wow.
Ito yung gift sa akin ni Nicole ng birthday ko.
Yung box,
Pala yun.
yung box ni Rius lang namin yung box, guys.
Oh, what is this?
A newspaper din! Ah,
Oh, I think frame to, no? Oh my God.
Just
Yeah.
check.
If
Oh
I
my
look
goodness.
if I look ugly here na.
You look cute there, no?
Na.
Oh my God!
The effort! The effort!
Listen natin.
There's one more, okay? Oh my gosh!
I-display mo to dyan sa computer. Baka din sa TV, oh, pwede.
there's another one.
There's another one.
Bakit papalo siya dahil?
Where did you get
Oh my God! Wow!
So, she got this.
Oh, nice!
Oh my God!
Picture ka pa sa BTS.
Wow!
Pa-picture sa BTS.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my God.
Sakit na siya ka,
What is
grabe!
Oh, stop!
this? Pwede na natin ilagay ito dun, oh. Sa taas. Ilagay ko dito. Habang ano tayo.
Okay.
Sakit na siya ako sa inyo!
Okay, ito yung...
See, ayun talaga yung something funny. Oh, look at that. Look at
Ang
that.
haba ng
face.
baba!
Ate!
Ang haba ng baba dyan ni Angie!
Grabe!
Yeah.
This is my real gift for Ate.
Okay, ay mag-ano na tayo ng
I have
gift.
two gifts for her. This
Yeah.
one first.
Okay.
That's the
Kasi
real gift.
mahilig si Ate sa lipstick. So, I bought this.
Kylie Jenner.
Yes.
Yeah.
She likes red lipstick.
Yes.
And this one, last one.
Okay.
That's nice.
Wow, 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 wow. What is this?
Kailangan pa siya i-build, pero sana may patience si Ate.
What is that? Puzzle?
It's
It's so cute. Lego.
It's a Lego
Oh my God!
or holder ng Polaroid.
Wow, gusto ko talaga ng Lego.
Kasi mahilig si Ate sa Lego. Gusto niya ang mahal-mahal. Ito
I
lang
know,
ang afford ko.
right? Yung Stranger Things. Oh my goodness.
Sana may patience siya para i-build
Yeah.
yan. But it's cute kasi you can put Polaroid pictures here like this.
Yeah. Okay, your gifts to
Or-
me. Thanks, Mabong sa you.
Okay, your gift to me.
Oh, your gift to you? Magbibigay ng gift.
So this is my gift to Mama. She'll enjoy this very much.
Okay, you can
Oh,
open it.
wow. Let's see. Let's see. What is that? Can I open it now?
Yes.
Yes.
This
is the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Let's see. What is this? How do you... Fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, open mo.
Fine.
Show mo, ma.
Oh my gosh, ma-cellphone yan.
Fine. Oh, fine.
Open it.
Cellphone yan, ma.
Fine technology.
Papa.
Fine. The struggle is real.
Oh. Ayaw niya magpabukas.
Hindi meant for you, ma.
Hindi meant for you, ma.
It's not meant for me.
One
Oh.
eternity later.
Let's see. Is this the cell phone?
So this one cost
what is
me
this?
like 50 bucks.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Oh, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't know this is
The
this.
expensive shit right there.
Fine.
This is
Oh, wow. Look.
wireless lapel for mama kasi she likes vlogging nga.
Oh my God.
Para naman marinig na siya sa video niya kasi ang ganda ng boses niya.
I know, right?
Mahina kasi boses ko, so at least now I have a lapel microphone.
Yay.
Wireless lapel microphone. Thank
You
you,
like
Bear.
it?
Thank you, Bear. Of course I like
And
it.
this
Thank
is
you.
for-
And this
It
is for
is very,
last
this
one.
is very useful.
Last one but very least.
Yeah.
This is for
Hello?
Papa. Sana ma-enjoy niya.
Okay, Papa.
Dapat
Let's see.
i-ano mo, ma.
Let's see.
Ang tangkad kasi ni Papa eh. I-ano mo.
Okay lang yan.
Nakapako na ang sapatos.
Kasi yung binili niya sa
Hindi
yung binili niya sa Walmart, hindi kasya sa kanya.
Hindi niya sinusuot. So, there you
So,
go.
hopefully, this one kasya sa kanya.
Yeah.
Sana masuot niya kasi it's very cold na here.
Wow.
And this one,
Yeah.
Wow.
because he's looking for a hat. So, he can wear that pag winter.
Wow.
Malamig.
Yeah.
This is good for winter.
Huh?
And also this one. I really need this one.
Okay.
I can find a shoes that fits for me.
So, let's see.
Yay!
if it
Let's
fits.
see if it fits.
Okay, try it on. Try it on.
Try it on.
Let's see.
Try it on,
Oh,
Papa.
ang dami. It's so warm. If it doesn't fit him, I'm gonna use this.
Yung pala yung purpose.
Okay.
Look,
Wow.
Okay.
nag-ano?
It's comfortable.
Iris?
It's
Di ba yung
comfortable.
glass?
Hindi madulas pa?
Hindi.
Okay.
That's good.
Hmm.
Yay! May
Thank
sapatos
you
na si
very much,
Papa.
May.
My
Thank you very
sleeper,
much.
my sleeper na si Papa.
Yeah.
Sleeper na si Papa.
My sleeper na.
Wow!
Yay! Congratulations, Papa.
Warm na yung paa mo pa.
Let's see, what did you get, ate?
First, for Mamong.
Oh, for me.
Yeah, this
Ooh.
this one. This one for you.
Another gift
What
for
is it?
me.
Ito kasi
Oh!
plants.
Something
May
funny.
mga plants kasi siya.
Oh, yeah.
So, kailangan niya talaga yan para
She
sa
really
plants.
needs that kasi she has a lot of
For plants. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Nak. And this is for what? What is this?
Open it.
Scarf.
No.
No!
It's what is this?
Oh my God!
It's a dress.
Dress.
The dress!
Nice.
Cute!
Oh, wow. Back there.
Last one!
And
Wow, she has
another one.
3.
Last one.
This is for Laneige.
Yeah, sleeping mask.
Water
gel.
sleeping mask gel. Okay, yeah, I don't have this one, ate. Thank you.
Welcome. Pang beauty lang yan. For Papong.
Oh my
Papa.
God! Clothes for me.
Kompleto na! Complete set.
Complete set na si Papa.
More socks.
No?
Clothes for me.
Oh,
Wow!
Wow!
Yeah.
Nagbibinata si Papa,
it's
ah.
yours.
Nagbibinata.
Thank you, ate. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Welcome. Okay, this first. This
Wow, a big box.
What's
Ano
this
yan? What is
say?
it? House and lot?
To Babong Saru.
first. Yeah.
Ugly Damas Bicharu. Happy New Year.
From
From Ate Cute. Yes. Tayong loves you. Ano, right? Oh. This is where, ito yung hinahanap ko, ma! Ito yung hinahanap, sabi ko na nga ba nawawala yung Jollibee
wala
ko?
si Jollibee. Nandito.
Hinahanap ko siya, dito pala galing.
Alam ko na iuwi mo yan.
This is an army bag!
This is from River Chef.
Yes, it's from Weavers. No. Jollibee.
That's
Jollibee
not
there.
army bomb.
Lagay mo dito, oh.
Handle yan.
Nakalimutan
Yeah,
ko. Ito pala yung tinatanong ni ate noon.
Yeah, army
It
bomb.
looks so pretty.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. There's a sign there.
Yes.
BTS
BTS.
sign.
BTS.
Wow, may ano din, oh. Oh, wow.
Pakita mo yung
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow, so small. Oh my
God.
army bomb. Okay.
Thanks,
I have
ate.
this too.
Wow. So social.
Yeah, pakita mo yung mamaya. This is the final gift.
The
Guess,
final
I guess
countdown.
album yan, album.
Album.
No, it can't
Pero
be.
album eh.
You already have it.
Oh, it's a dress.
Oh, this one I
It's
don't
a dress.
Yeah, this one she doesn't know.
It's a dress.
I hope kasya sa kanya.
know. Kasi di pala, no.
Don't worry, Mama is here.
No!
Oh my God! Wow!
What is this?
It's a belt.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Ayan yung mga bet niyang pants.
Wow!
Oh my God!
Tapos,
Pretty!
may nasa crop top. Para hindi na siya
this
magpupunit.
one!
Para hindi na siya magpupunit ng damit.
RTS po.
Lagi
Yes!
nagpupunit ng damit eh.
Oh, thank you, ate. This is so cute.
Welcome.
Oh, I like it.
Okay, Stephanie, your gift.
Oh, lala.
This is first for you and Angie.
Okay, open na lang namin ang sabay.
This is my gift to Papa. And this is my gift to Angie.
So kulit, naman kulit.
And this is gift for Angie as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
And this is for Stephanie.
Thanks, Mom. Okay, o-open ko na to.
Yes.
For me from Papa and Mama's.
Open it.
Okay.
Kita siya.
Ooh! The damn shit! We like this shit!
I told
Oh,
you.
sa...
Oh my gosh!
Is that
This
for
is the
me?
expensive shit. It's like,
Oh, ito ba yung sa amin
50
dalawa ni ate?
yeah!
Yes.
Shareable!
Sure kami.
Shareable naman siya so.
Open yours.
Oh, this one's mine?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Yay!
From Mama and Papa.
Ito pala yung sinasabi ni Mama. Alam ka natin yung kay Papa. Ganyan din.
Gamitin mo yung...
That's why I gave you toothpaste, Papa.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I will use this very much. Magagamit namin ito ng song.
Hindi ka masukas madumi na yan.
Christmas, guys, and Happy New Year. Enjoy.
Merry Christmas.
Keep close to your loved ones and be happy. Be grateful for all the blessings. God bless you guys. God bless you, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a peaceful and joyful Christmas season.
Yay!
Okay, thank you guys. So please don't forget to hit like if you like this video. Share it to your friends.
Yeah.
And
Subscribe to us.
subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Bye, guys. We'll see you next
Merry
time.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Babu, adios.
Bye.
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 Hasta la vista.
This is our gift for Christmas 2020, guys. Exchange gift from the family. Yay! We are happy. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing.
Yes.
Thank you for the gift.
Thank you,
From
Ben.
our kids.
Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Pa. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you,
Ate. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, Gian.
Papu. Thank you, Ate G. And for the
Thank you, Ate G.
Thank you, Lord, for this gift. Thank you for everything, Lord. Thank you so much. Thank you for the good
I'm gonna use
one.
this for sure.
Thank you.